¿Es toro?
Toro.
Toro.
Let's go. Let's go.
A la izquierda, a la derecha.
Derecha.
Izquierda.
Dude, we got everything out here? These things protect me.
Yeah, listen, I have.
Do we have everything?
I have money. You got the lick? Right?
Yeah.
You got the lick in the trees?
Yeah, we got
I have a card for money, cigarettes, water.
Come on, guys.
Alright, I think we're going.
Let's go. I don't think they want us to go on the elevator with them.
Oh, yeah.
Can we just take a walk?
This is gonna be crazy.
I'm so crazy. I'm so crazy right now.
Yes.
Just be cool.
Be cool. With the movie.
Shut the thing with the lobby.
What do you mean?
Money.
What is it? Oh, we're going to get pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza, amigo.
Pepperoni?
Más o menos.
Don't get out.
Hola.
Hola.
Hey. Acapulco. Yo, Matrix is back.
It's Matrix. Look at the doors.
The answer lies in the lobby. Lobby? I feel like it. Where's Neo? Neo? Nice?
Tree.
No,
This is three.
Tree.
Dios, yeah. Is that another elevator or is that a mirror?
That was an elevator.
Loco. We're on the elevator going down.
I like my beat down low.
Alright, get out.
I like my down low.
Wow, we're really down here. Listen to that song. Yeah, this is perfect. This is what I want you to take.
I like my beat down low. I like my beat down low.
Come on, listen to a little bit.
Hold on, let me go see my chicas. Yo, hold on, my chicas are over here. No? No chicas?
We have to mission one.
Yeah, no chicas. Pizza
Oh, way to keep it
numero-
together right there. That's a veteran move right there, bro. That's how you do it.
Pizza es numero uno misiones.
Stick to the plan.
Don't deviate from the plan, no matter what.
Alright, here.